Hi everyone, this is Bidisha of Mermaid Bidisha here. This is a very different kind of a video. Reason being, I was planning to do the first section of the video, which is the men's skincare routine, but the second one has been requested by a subscriber on YouTube, so I'm clubbing them both. So in step 1 for men's skincare, a good scrub is must, especially the ones that removes blackheads and dead skin. Product details will be given in the description box. The one that I'm showing right now is Wild Oats original scrub from the brand Mill Creek Botanicals. Then the next one is a serum. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex Facial Serum has multiple benefits of anti-aging and skin brightening property. You would need to apply the serum before this Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Light Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream, which is oil free. I love the texture. It's very cushiony and I love how it seeps into my dry skin. Never underestimate the power of a good eye cream. This is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. Just look at the texture. It's so bouncy and I love applying it in my under eye area, and also I keep massaging slowly so that it gets into my skin thoroughly. So that's pretty much it for men's skincare. Guys, don't neglect your skincare routine. Now let's move on to what's in my makeup stash. It's not too organized, but I try my best to keep it sorted. So this is the lipstick that I used in my previous video. It's from Wet n Wild. I think this is discontinued, but I love it. Then the next one is this Essence mascara. Then these are the lash glues from Ardell and Andrea. I love. Then this is the contouring stick from Wet n Wild. Very handy and portable when you're on the go. Next is another mascara from CoverGirl, my favorite, Super Sizer mascara, a lip liner. Then this one, I cannot seem to finish it at all, so I'm still using. And then the bigger highlighter pan. I have my fake lashes over here, and then I have some glitter eyeshadows which I kept for my upcoming party wear. Then voluminous lash paradise from L'Oreal, and this blush particularly is my current favorite from Ulta Beauty, and this highlighter also pairs well with that blush, both from Ulta Beauty. Another So Wispy lash. I have a lot of lashes right now. And then one everyday wear pink blush from CoverGirl, followed by this bronzer which I'm yet to use. I'm going to mix that with the pink blush. Also, this is my current favorite Minted Rose lip balm that I got from Sephora. I love it. Now I also have a quick makeup look to share with you all, so let's get started with it. So this is the foundation that I'm going to apply first. This is all about my everyday makeup, nothing crazy. I double it up as a concealer at the same time. And then I apply my kohl liner and line my lower lash line with the same kohl liner pencil. Then take a matte brown eyeshadow with an angular brush. I just push the product on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to curl my lashes. Take 10 to 20 seconds and then apply mascara. This is from Wet n Wild. I love this mascara currently. And then I'm going to take a champagne eyeshadow and just line my upper lash line, set my face with loose setting powder, then contour my nose and cheeks. Like I said, my favorite contouring product from Wet n Wild. I'm using that, followed by blush. I'm mixing a coral blush with a highlighter shade together and applying this favorite liquid lipstick currently from Black Radiance in the shade 5404. Perfect for winter time, and that's it. And I'm going to apply a little bit more of highlighter from NYX Cosmetics. Time to attend a Zoom call, so see you all again very soon. Bye.